Assalamu alaikum. Lesson 7, the 6th year of Makki period. Sun and Moon. Quraysh threatened Abu Talib after their failure in Habasha and asked him to stop the Prophet ﷺ from preaching Islam. When Abu Talib tried to tell this to Prophet ﷺ, his response essentially was, "Even if they place the sun and the moon in my hand, I won't stop." Persecution. After that, Quraysh began persecuting the Prophet ﷺ. Once Abu Jahl tried to crush the Prophet's head with a big stone but was unsuccessful. Hamza radiallahu anh and then Umar radiallahu anh accepted Islam in 6th year of Nabawi. Umar's conversion provided strength to Muslims. Key lessons. Acquire knowledge to give da'wah with wisdom and patience. Pray for guidance for everyone, even if they are enemies. Major events of the 6th year are Sun and Moon, persecution of the Prophet, Hamza and Umar accept Islam. For more details, watch our 5-minute series on YouTube.